In this video, I will show you how to convert an HTML website to WordPress. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, hover over Plugins on the left-hand side and click Add New. In the search bar, search for Elementor, then click Install Now and activate the plugin. Next, go to Posts and click All Posts. Choose the post you want to work with and click Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor opens, use the search bar on the left side to search for the shortcode widget. Drag and drop the widget onto your page. Now, open your HTML website file and locate the code inside the body section. Click Edit as HTML, then select everything from the beginning of the body tag to the end and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Return to WordPress and paste the code into the shortcode widget. Once pasted, you'll see your HTML website content appear on the page. That's it. Your HTML website content has been successfully added to WordPress. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.